Yeah, rather happening with those new cars. RMZ City 2010 Camaro. Like that little Ford F-150. And quickest wheel swap I ever did. I don't know what that. She came up very slow. I said, alright, fine, I'll do that. Fall apart. I wheel swapped her. It was easy to twist while I was doing it. Continental Bentley Continental GT RMZ City. I think Derek Diecast Collection may have had some of those on his channel. So I was wondering for an easy, quick fix. Stop. Oh. You know what? These little skinners and tap them out because those are actually very small for the pinhole. So add a little bit of hot glue to that just to stay in. Those aren't the original mag wheels. They're swapping them out for these actual mag wheels. Same kind of. That one. Kind of similar. They're an interesting deal for us to possibly wheel swap, but they're like the some of them, because no interior to this one. Continental GT. It's a nice color. Yeah.